గజిబిజి గణితాన్ని గజిబిజి లేకుండా చెప్పడమే మా లక్ష్యం. దానికి మీరు చేయవలసింది మా శ్రీలత కొత్త మ్యాథ్స్ క్లబ్లో జాయిన్ కండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాథ్స్ గేమ్. TanA is equal to 3/4. Then find the other trigonometrical ratios with angle A. This is the rectangle. This is the rectangle. Then this is the A, and this one is B, and this one is C. Always rectangle opposite is hypotenuse, and I will see from the angle A. Angle A, this one is the opposite. Opposite means this one is perpendicular, and this one is the base, means that is the adjacent. This one is base, this one is perpendicular, this one is hypotenuse. Then TanA is equal to P by B. That means opposite by adjacent. That means 3/4. Opposite is equal to 3 and adjacent is equal to 4. I will find the hypotenuse value. Then Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Then hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square is equal to 3 square plus adjacent square is equal to 4 square. Then hypotenuse square is equal to 3 square means 9 plus 4 square means 16. This is equal to 25. Then x square is equal to 25. Then x is equal to root 25. Root 25 is equal to root 5 square. Square root cancel 5. Then hypotenuse is the 5. Then this is equal to 5. On this place, opposite is there, adjacent is there, hypotenuse there. Then other trigonometrical ratio values. Look at this. P, B, P. Pari bag lo pen unda. Ha bapu. This one is sine. Sine is P by H. Cos is P by B by H. Tan is P by B. Okay. Then find the sine value. Sine A is equal to, sine is P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular means opposite is the perpendicular. Opposite is mean 3 by hypotenuse is 5. Okay, sine value is 3/5. Then cos A is equal to, cos A mean B by H. Cos A mean B by H. Then cos B mean adjacent is the B, 4 by H mean 5. B by H, adjacent is the base. Next tan value is there. Next cosec value. Cosec. Sine, this one P by H is the sine. Opposite is H by P. Opposite is H by P. Then H is hypotenuse 5. Then P is opposite is 3. Then sec A value. Sec A is equal to, secant A is equal to, secant value is cos value opposite is secant value, H by B. H by B. Then H is equal to 5 by B mean adjacent 4. Next tan value. Tan A is equal to, tan, next cot value, sorry, that one is a cot value. Cot A is equal to, cot mean tan opposite B by P. B by P is the cot value. B is equal to, adjacent is the B 4, then have P is equal to 3, 4 by 3. Okay. Is it clear? క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. ఇక్కడ మనం ఎప్పటికైనా ఈ వాల్యూస్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేటప్పుడు దీనిని మనం బాగా గుర్తుంచుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సైన్ వాల్యూ P by H, కాస్ వాల్యూ B by H, tan value P by B, and cosec value, sine opposite is cosec, cosec value is H by P, and sec value is H by B, cot value is B by P. పరి బ్యాగ్లో పెన్ ఉందా? బాపు. This is the always, are you remember it? Okay. Is it clear? Any doubt?